Hi guys! Ang challenge natin ngayon ay Tagalog-English translation. Let's start!
Tara na nga.
Let's go.
Aya,
Start
Let's
na.
go.
saan na ba? Madaya.
Start na eh.
Busog na ako.
I'm full.
I'm full.
Oh, tama, sakto.
Madaya.
Alam ko na iyan.
I know
I
that.
know that already.
I knew it.
Ikaw pumili niya na, hindi ako.
Hindi ako ah.
Kumain ka na ba?
Have
Are
you
you eating?
eaten
Have
Eating.
you eaten yet?
yet? Na-topic lang yung yet.
Uy, wala, madaya. Wala,
Ikaw na ba?
wala. Madaw.
Have you seen it yet?
Oh, palagpas. Kung tingnan, madaya ka.
Hindi ko na kailangan yan.
I don't.
I don't
I
need
don't
it
need it
anymore.
anymore.
Tama na yun.
Sasabayan mo eh.
Pwede na.
Ayaw na niyang masaktan.
He
She
doesn't want
He
to get
doesn't
hurt.
want to get hurt.
Wala ka pa.
Huli na ang lahat.
Ano, late.
It is too late.
Ay, ano ba yan? Nablangko. Nablangko ko dun.
Gawin mo na. Ngayon din.
Ano daw?
Do it right now.
Ay, madali
Hindi ko
lang.
narinig. Ingay mo kasi.
Ako, ikaw katawan-tawa.
Nagkita na ba kayo?
Have you met before?
Have you met already?
Ah, mali.
May
Mali.
before pa kasi.
Handa na akong umalis.
I'm ready to go.
I'm ready to leave.
Ay,
Eh, pwede na rin yun.
pwede din.
Dami ko na.
Malapit na tayo.
We're almost there.
We're almost there.
Mm-hmm.
Lumabas na siya.
She's
out
out.
now.
He has gone out.
Sasabayan mo kasi ikaw eh. Nagkakamali ka to.
Hindi na mauulit.
It won't happen again. 500.
I will not do it again.
Mali.
Mali siya.
Hihintayin na lang kita.
I'll wait for you.
I'll just wait for you.
I'm
Just.
just. Wala kang just.
Mauna na kayo.
Go ahead.
Go first.
Make my day.
You go ahead.
Sabi ko, go ahead.
Hindi ko na kailangan.
I don't need it anymore.
I don't need it.
May anymore pa kasi.
Patawarin mo na ako.
Please forgive me.
Please forgive me.
Don't know what to do.
Handa ka na ba?
Are
you
you ready?
Are you now ready?
Ayan. 1,000 na tayo. 1,000 na.
Gawin mo na para matapos na.
Do this.
Do it.
Do it so it's over.
Ay, hindi do this.
So it's over.
Huwag mo na akong tanungin pa.
Don't ask me
again.
anymore.
Don't ask me anymore.
Anymore. It's not again. It's anymore.
Ay.
Nakahanda na ako.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Oh,
Ganyan na.
baba.
Magbago ka na.
Change your...
Change your
Out.
Amend your
lifestyle.
ways.
Saan ka na pa ito?
Nakapili ka na ba?
Have you chosen?
Have you made your choice?
Ayan.
Tumuloy na ako.
I'm go ahead.
I'll go ahead.
I let myself
Ay,
in.
go na kasi.
Ayan.
Aalis na ako para makabalik ka agad.
I will leave so
I'll leave
you
now so I can be back soon.
Yun nga sabi ko.
Paano na lang kami?
How
How
about,
about
us?
us?
What about us?
It's how, it's what.
Mali ka diba?
What about?
Tama na kasi.
Stop it.
That's enough.
Dali-dali. Ano sabi?
Hindi na siya nakatira rito.
She's not living here. Live.
He doesn't live here
Anymore.
anymore.
Sabi ko anymore. Pero mali
Ay,
pa rin.
anymore. Na-late.
Kinapos.
Na-late.
Kinapos.
Ilang taon ka na?
How old
How
are
old are
you?
you? How old are you?
How old are you now?
Senior na ako.
Sama mo na mo.
Naiintindihan ko na.
I understand.
Do you understand?
Now I understand.
Now. I said now.
Ako na nga.
Let me do it.
Let me do it.
Ha?
Ay.
Sakto. Kita mo na. Galing ko sa English.
Parang dalawa yun.
Di bali na lang.
Never mind.
Never mind.
Unahan ako ah. Ilan na lang to? Dalawa na lang.
Dalawa.
Pwede na.
Good
Ay.
enough.
Nakalimutan.
It is good enough.
It is.
Yeah.
Good enough.
Saka na lang.
Maybe next time.
Maybe some other time.
Oh.
Ano daw? Thank you so much for watching.
Hindi na
Bye.
nakapagtatak.
Ubus na po ang pera.
Yay.
Magkano sa'yo?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Bye. Thank you for watching.
1, 7.
Bye.
Bye-bye.